Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra screen burn in. If you're using Galaxy S21 Ultra and you're facing the issue that your screen is burned in, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So basically, once your screen burned in, you haven't any exact fix for your screen, but you can try to enable the dark mode to prevent your screen burn in or to mask your burn in with dark mode. It's simply go to settings there, go to display and just select dark mode, enable dark mode so it will completely mask your screen burn in. Or if you want to completely fix your screen burn-in, so there's the only way you have to replace your Samsung screen. So I recommend you have to go to official Samsung store, contact with them and replace your screen. So once you have done your issue might have been fixed. But if your screen is not burning or you have fear of burning, so you have some features or you have some steps you can prevent your burn in. So the very first thing, you have to reduce your brightness. So you have to always reduce your brightness. Go to your settings here and enable your adaptive brightness in display settings there in the display. You must see adaptive brightness, or in some phones you must get auto brightness. So you can try to enable this from here. Once you enable the auto brightness or your adaptive brightness, it will automatically increase or decrease the brightness, so it will help you to prevent burn. And after that, you have to also select a shorten timeout. You have to go to in your display setting, you will see the screen timeout here. You have to select the shorten as it is. You can select, I recommend you have to select 30 seconds. It is not too short and not too long. It will help you to prevent from burn. And the third step you can do, you have to hide your navigation buttons, or you can use gesture navigations. So here's the navigation bar, just click on it, and here you must see gestures, just select this. Now once you select gestures, your navigation button will be hidden. Now you can go back, you can use your edges, like swipe from your edge, and you will go back. If you want to go to your home screen, swipe up, you might go to your home screen. If you want to show us see your recent apps, just swipe up, you must see your recent apps, you can close them from here. So once you have once you have hidden your navigation bots, it will also help you to prevent your burn in. So once you have done all of these, your phone will be prevented from burning. But here, if your phone's display already burned in, so you have a simple fix for this. The very first, you can mask it using your dark mode, or you can replace your screen to completely fix this issue. So in this way, you can easily fix your screen burn-in and your Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.